So what's up? Chris Hacks Life here. It's been a while. If you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe. At current, I have 37 subscribers. What I wanted to inform you of is the fact that I have made money on YouTube with my 37 subscribers. I don't have enough to monetize with YouTube's monetization program. I have 37 subscribers and I am well short of the 4,000 hours needed to monetize. So how did I do it? So you might be wondering, how did I make money with just 37 subscribers and 180 plus hours of watch time? That's well short of the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time that you need. Well, it has to do with affiliate marketing. So I made a video a few months ago about how you can make money on Swagbucks. I will link to that video up here. And with that video, I was able to show people how you can make money through shopping on Swagbucks. And I think that that's how somebody was able to get on there and make some money for themselves. I got a referral bonus. I will leave a link in the comments below where you can sign up for Swagbucks if you're interested in that. But this just goes to show you that using YouTube can make you money even if you haven't been able to go through the monetization process. So that shows you that screenshot that I got over $6 from that person. Now I've made like close to 50 videos overall, and that's not really a good return on my money to this point, but it shows that I can make money, and if I can get the ball rolling, I'll be able to make more. Another way I was able to make money through YouTube, well, watching YouTube videos, was learning about Webull. And Webull is giving away free stocks worth up to $1,800, and I have a link in the description below. So if you want to make some money by depositing $100 with Webull and getting 2 free stocks or 3 free stocks, I'm not sure, whatever the referral bonus is right now, you can get up to $1,850. And I would encourage you to do that. I also encourage you to sign up for Swagbucks, but this video, what I'm wanting to show you is it is possible to make money on YouTube without getting to the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. So I hope it's been beneficial for you and that you've learned something. If so, be sure to give us a like. Also, hit the subscribe button. It'll help the channel out a lot. Thanks for watching. This has been Chris Hacks Life.